Where's Miss
Good
Romero?
morning! It's a new year, Miss Martha!
Woohoo! Happy New Year!
Not glasses day, but you know what? It's a new year, so I wanted to come out and say, surprise!
I had my noisemaker.
I know. Happy New Year, everybody.
It's 2021.
How are all of you today? How are
We're
you doing,
so
Miss
happy to see
Martha?
you. I'm doing fantastic.
You know, I had a very well-rested break, but I have to be honest, I kind of missed everybody.
I did too. I missed actually making our assemblies. It was nice to step away from our computers for a while, but I missed making these assemblies for all the students and seeing them.
I agree. So it is exciting to be back. I bet you missed us too, didn't you?
Yeah.
Didn't you?
Yep.
Well, it is the new year, January 8th. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, we're going to start, as we always do, with our flag salute. Miss Martha, can you help me out?
I can. All right, everybody, please stand and put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you.
All right.
Great job.
Great job. Boys and girls, I hope you all had a great break. I hope you were able to rest and be with family safely. Sometimes we're just with our immediate family because we need to make sure we're safe. I know that many of you were anxious to maybe think the new year we'd be back, but you know what? Don't give up hope. You never know what could happen as long as we all do the right thing. So we miss you, and we know you miss us. So boys and girls, we have just information today. It is a new year, new beginning. Can't wait for this year. I know we were all anxious for it. But this week we had a successful first week back. Man, I went into the classes on Monday and on Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday, and I'll probably go in today. And I am just so excited to see how many kids returned, wanting to learn, ready to learn, and the teachers were doing a fabulous job teaching. So what more could you ask for, right? Round of applause. Great job. So I know that today is really filled with someone special's news. So we're going to jump right in. I wonder who that could be. You're right. Da, 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 da. Miss Martha!
All right, everybody. Yes, welcome back. And like Ms. Romero said, we are so excited to see you and to be with you once again, even if it's in a virtual manner. We are excited that we can all be together that way. We do have a couple announcements that I would like to tell you about. We are focusing on having a positive attitude for the month of January. And to me, I feel like what a great way to start the year, because it's a fresh start, it's a brand new year, and of course, having a positive attitude is going to help in our daily lives, whatever we do. So we are going to be focusing on that for our Student of the Month. Your teachers, I know, are going to have a really hard time choosing two students from each class, because I know that everybody was just ready to come back and is already working so hard. So we are going to be focusing on that for all of this month. So start each day with having a positive attitude. There's lots of ways to do that, and we can talk about
How do you do that, Miss Martha? Or we can talk about that later.
Well,
you always have a positive attitude.
Now, because having a positive attitude, especially when you think about school, you might have been mixed feelings like, oh, I just love sleeping in, but I do miss my teacher. Oh, I want to watch TV all day, but I kind of miss the work that I have to do during the day. Even I was like that. I was ready to jump back into a routine. So part of having a positive attitude is to just tell yourself every morning when you wake up, you change, you brush your teeth, brush your hair, look at yourself in the mirror and say, Mrs. Mata, you're going to have a great day. And Ms. Romero, you can do that too. That's a way of having a positive attitude. You want to
That's a great idea. A great idea. And I think even saying it out loud makes a difference, right? Because we always say it in our head. But when you're by yourself in the mirror, so I could say, brushing my teeth, Ms. Romero, today the choice is yours. And you're going to have a positive day. And you're going to be kind. And you're going to believe in everybody. And you're going to believe in yourself.
That's right. That's how we have a positive attitude, because it's true. When you say it out loud, even if it's in a whisper, if you're embarrassed, you don't want people to hear you, in the bathroom is probably a good idea. That's where you have a mirror. But saying that out loud, it kind of like puts it out there, and then all of a sudden you're like, wow, okay, I'm ready. Let's do this. And even if you think it doesn't work and you're thinking, I don't know about that, Miss Mata, that sounds kind of weird to talk to myself. Try it, and you never know. I want to bet almost 100% that it will affect your attitude. And if you do that every day, I guarantee you're going to see a difference. So that's just a little encouragement.
And you know what I'm going to add to it? I'm going to say, you go, girl. You got this.
I even like that better. Of course, you could change it. You can say, Miss Mata, you're going to have a great day. You go, girl. Because all of a sudden, like, you feel like a little bit more excited.
You're like, I got this. Like, dun, 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 dun. Like you hear music in the background.
Yes.
I like it. I like it, Miss Mata.
Okay,
have a positive attitude.
That's your challenge. Find a way to encourage yourself, even if it's in a whisper. Tell yourself, you go, girl, or you got this, boy. You can do it. All right.
I like that. I already feel pumped.
I do. I feel very excited. I'm starting to get Okay, so my energy's already pumped up because we've been telling ourselves, you're going to have a great day, Miss Mata, so many times. So the other thing that we're going to do is we need a spirit day. Because even though it's a brand new year, we got to continue the fun with our spirit days. So next week on January 13th, which is a Wednesday, we're going to have Crazy Hair Day. So you may even not even have to brush your hair. You can just get up and however your hair looks up. I know my hair looks kind of crazy today, but I challenge you. Let's see what kind of crazy hair you can show up to class with on a Wednesday for Crazy Hair Day.
That's exciting. Can't wait to see those pictures.
Yes, yes, yes. Oh, that's right. Make sure you tag us in your photos. We love to post them on our social media. Yes. So, crazy hair, send us your pics. Even on Crazy Hair Day, you can tell yourself, you go, girl.
You go with that crazy hair.
Watch out.
I like it. I like it a lot.
I do too. It's going to be fun.
It is.
All right. I think that is... I do have one thing, actually, one more thing. Part of our positive attitude and going along with getting back into the routine of school is there's a couple of things that your teachers will be working on with you, at least for our elementary. And then we have to also talk about, we have something for middle school, something exciting.
We do.
Okay, so focus. Okay, so for elementary, your teachers, you are going to be working on the next writing prompt, which is our opinion writing prompt.
Lots of opinions.
For that information from your teachers, and that will be the next assessment for our writing. Also, we need a new SRI score or a new RAS score. So your teachers will also be talking to you about that. And maybe as part of your positive attitude, you can say, Mrs. Mata, your Lexile is going to go up by 10 points today.
Yeah.
Or, I'm going to work on my punctuation in my writing, capital letter and a period at the end. So,
you go, girl.
Yes, you look for that from your teachers. And as part of your positive attitude, push yourself to do really well, even if it's a little bit better. Those little every time you get better and better and you work harder, turns your scores higher and higher every time. So that's for our elementary. You want to tell them about middle school?
Yes, middle school. Guess what? On Wednesday, just 2 days ago, your report cards for second quarter were mailed home. I know you're so excited. Woo! Your parents will be getting those in the mail. They were mailed home. You actually maybe already have them, possibly. I doubt it, but you'll probably be getting them this weekend or early next week. But there are so many of you who did a fabulous job, who rose above what we expected and pushed yourselves to that limit, because I know that during progress reporting time, it was a little difficult. But wow, I've been looking at those report cards. They were mailed out on Wednesday. We're going to honor you. We're going to honor all of you who met that mark for bronze awards, for silver awards, for gold awards. So look out, because you will be getting your assembly, or having rather, your assembly this month, by the end of the month. So parents will be sending out those links to you as we recognize our 6th graders, our 7th graders, and our 8th graders. Very excited about it. For you little guys, just so you know, they get A, B, C's, D's. They get grades. So it's real world now. So we're very excited to share that with all of you. And again, I'm very proud of all of your effort. We know that this is not easy, but you're continuing to persevere. I see that grit in you. Go, 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 go. So keep going. We are now in the 3rd quarter for middle school, and we're in the 2nd trimester for our preschool all the way to 5th grade. Wow. So lots happening. And as Miss Mata said, it's going to be testing time, but that's an exciting time. Don't get stressed over the test. Do your best and say, go girl, go boy, you got this. I just made that up. I think it kind of rhymed.
I wanted to write that down so we don't forget it. I feel like I should have had pom-poms, because you were just like, woo, bumping them up.
Because you got me in that positive attitude.
Yes. I hope we're making everybody out there. I know Friday is the end of the week. You're going, I'm tired. But hey, you keep up that positive attitude.
All the time. All throughout the month and even beyond, because remember, it's just our focus this month, but that doesn't mean we don't act safely or we don't make wise choices or we don't have pride. We still do those things. Mm-hmm. This is just an added
bonus.
Exactly. Okay, boys and girls, we said it's a lot of information today, but we're ready. Let's see if we remember, Miss Samantha, because we kind of goofed the last couple times we did this.
Yes. On my chair.
I know. I forgot to get her a chair without wheels.
I was hoping that would be my Christmas present.
But it's a new year. And I think she's going to act safely. Okay, because she has, whoa, I almost tripped. Oh. Okay, here we go. And let's start with rolling our shoulders back. Oh, roll them back. And roll them forward. And reach for the ceiling or the sky. Reach. And touch your toes. Be careful, Miss Mata.
I'm being safe.
Okay, and come up. Miss Mata, 5 times forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 times backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you feel like an airplane?
I was thinking right now, we look like we're soaring over the sky right now.
That'd be awesome. It actually kind of feels good doing this. Mm-hmm. Okay, boys and girls, and walk in place. And run! Miss Mata, were you really running?
No, because I'm sitting in my chair.
But you know what? You were moving, and that's all that matters. Okay, and in 1, 2, 3, and one more time. Okay, are you ready?
I think so. Let me get my signs ready.
Are you guys ready? Oh, I see y'all. I see Ellie and Brady and Jack. I see Vanessa, Natalie, and Brandon. Michael. Do you see anybody? Michaela. I see Michaela. And John. Okay. I see a lot of you, actually. Oh, hi, Anna Marie. Okay, here we go. And 1, 2, 3. I can and I will have pride in myself at my school. I can and I will have a positive attitude. I can and I will make wise choices. I can and I will act safely. I can and I will. I can and I will. I can and I will. Thank you to all of you. Daniela, Carlos, Leslie. Oh my gosh. Anthony, I see. There's so many people watching today, Miss Mata.
I know. They really did miss us. And we missed you.
We did. So boys and girls, make it a great day because the choice is yours.
You go, girl. You go, boy. See you later. Bye.